If you've ever priced out one of these DeWalt vacuums, they are very pricey, and this is a super affordable unit right here. I've already used it, put it back in the box, and I just want to show y'all real quick how it works. You know, let's go over the box. It's cordless operation, 3 speeds of adjustment, 1-click dust removal, powerful suction, 99.9% filtration, and I think that's everything on the box here. Here's how you get it. You get it packaged better, obviously. Here's the unit itself. Pretty simple, pretty self-explanatory. You've got the base roller unit right here. That's going to clip into the end. I like how they did this. This was very smart. Check that out. It just snaps together like that. Very cool and handy on the compact there. You get a little dust collector, and I use that mostly for my car, but it can be for couches or something like that. A crack and crevice tool. Now this is made for cleaning up the bottom of this. If you guys have ever seen hair or anything, yarn, maybe out of a carpet, just run that down and it clips it right out. And this can kind of clean up any type of like debris or anything that might get stuck down in there. And a mounting housing. So this works just like this. This will work there, this will work there. Now, why I like this so much is because I have several of these batteries. I have a cordless vacuum cleaner, but I have to constantly have a different charging port for it. So what I like about this one is I can just clip this in just like that, and it stays in my shed, and I don't have to have a charge port because these batteries are on charge all the time. I have other DeWalt tools, and I needed something that would work with the DeWalt batteries, and that's what I have here. And to take it off, you know, you just pull it off like that. Let's go ahead, let's test this thing out, and I'll show you how well it works. I have 2 freshly charged batteries here. You want to just stick that in, turn that on, check that out. That's working already. And you, by the way, you can run it with just a crack and crevice tool like this. If I want to use it as like a handy vac, you can run it just like that. See, check that out. And you've got adjustments there. I'll test it out cleaning out my van here in a minute, but I'm just going to show y'all how this thing works. But yeah, let's go ahead. Let me put this thing together, and then I'll take it over to my van that I have a carpet in and some crack and crevice I can clean up, and let's test this thing out. Okay, I went ahead and put the full extension on there. We'll put those up there. All that does is snap into place right there and snap on there. Now watch when I turn it on. It's on low, medium, and high. Now check this out, how well this thing works, everybody. You can see I have carpet in here, and it's a little oddly shaped carpet, but I can feel it. I can feel the pressure on it. You see that? Get a little closer right there. And it's got a little light there in the front too. That's very handy. Well, you see how well that works like that. Let's go ahead and let's put one of the crack and crevice tools on here. It's always been difficult for me to get down in there with even a vacuum at a shop or something. Wow, this works great, everybody. Let's put this one on there. Put it back on high. Turning it back on. Oh, this is going to be great. This is my new vacuum. I can already tell. Now, I've had several kind of cordless vacuums in the past, but like I said, they didn't work with a DeWalt battery like that. And this works out so much better because now I always have one on charge ready to go. I can knock out anything like this. I can do around my shed area. I don't have much carpet in there, but I do get sawdust from time to time that ends up getting down in there. Wow, that worked out great. Okay, so we ran it for a little bit. To take it off, you're just gonna mash that button there. You see down in there everything that's on it. So there is a filter on the back. You kind of squeeze in a little bit and it pops it out. You guys see that? You can replace this filter right here. That sets down in there. Now let's check out just that little bit of vacuuming right there. Oh yeah, there you go. Look at that. Yeah, everybody, I don't see any problems with this vacuum at all. I think this is a great item for anyone that just needs to have a good solid, like, small vacuum that uses existing batteries that they can pretty much do it all, whether it's vacuum out your car, vacuum up sawdust where you're around a workbench or something like that at a very affordable price. So yeah, there it is, everybody. That's all I got on the, cordless vacuum cleaner for DeWalt. See you on the next video.